Welcome back to the channel everyone. So in today's video I'm going to explain you about the switch case. So first of all, what is switch case? Switch case is basically a group of cases and it executes one case at a time. Now the question is which case is going to execute. So let me explain how it works. First of all, you have to specify switch here, then within these brackets you have to specify one variable here, and now when the program gets executed it compares the value of this variable with each cases. Now when the value matches, the particular case is going to execute. So that's how it works. Now in many cases it happens that the variable is not matched with any of these cases. Now in that type of condition, this default case is going to execute. Okay, if the value does not match with any of these cases, the default block will going to execute. Now let me give you an example. Okay, so this is the example of switch case statement. Here I have taken one class which is switch case, then I have written main method. Now here I have taken a variable here. Variable name is dept. Dept means department. Okay, and I have initialized this variable with c because it is character type variable. Okay, so here I will also specified this department. M equals to mechanical, C means computer, and E means electrical. Now what is going to happen? First of all, it takes this C under this department variable. Now here our switch case. So how switch case works? First of all, the keyword switch case, then here we specified department variable, means the value of this department variable is going to compare with all of these cases. Now what is the value of department variable? Department variable value is C, and C means computer, right? So C is going to compare with this M first. So M equals to C? No. So this case will not going to execute. It compares with the next case. C equals to C? Yes, C equals to C. So this statement is going to execute. And what we have written here, so I have written computer department here. So the output of this program will be computer department. And then I have written here break. Break is used to get out from this block. Okay. When any case matches, we have to specify break so that we can get out from that particular block. So let me run this code. Okay, so the output is computer department, right? So likewise, if I change here the department value with M, so now you can assume that what is the output? The output is mechanical department. As you can see, the output is mechanical department because M is get matched with this case. Okay, so that is how the program works. So here I have also written the default case here. Default case is going to execute when the value does not match with any of these cases. Means if I write A here, as you can see, A is not any department, right? We have three departments, M, C, and E. M is mechanical, C for computer, and E for electrical. But we do not have A here. So if I run this program now, it shows me invalid input because I have specified here invalid input. So it means default case is executed. Okay, so that's how the switch case works. It is very useful in many applications. You can develop a calculator with it. Okay, so this is all about switch case, and I have provided the PPT of this switch case in description box below, so you get more idea about switch case, guys. So yeah, if you do like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. So stay tuned.